Hello, hello everyone. Yanni here from EagleMMS, and today I have another fun and interesting kind of metrics case study. The one I did the other week was pretty popular, and I was privileged to get some more data today. I got some data from a shop in Pennsylvania that started recording claim numbers and capture rate with different carriers so that when different adjusters or claim handlers cycle around, they can say, hey, you've already paid me for this stuff before. These are the claim numbers I have. So along with that, I was able to see what their capture rate, success rate, and eventual profitability is. Now, this is one location out of a 100 location MSO, and it is a heavy DRP model. It's almost 80% DRP, primarily Erie and State Farm. And they're not even billing paint materials. They're actually not billing against the supply rate. They're using the cartridges, canisters, filter only, which means they're billing for adhesives, sealants, urethanes, foams, sound deadener, cavity wax, weld through. Like out of an inventory of 240 products and part numbers, they're consistently billing about 15 or 20, so less than 10% of their inventory. And this is the outcome of those billings. I'm going to share them with you. So check this out. This is their month of November. This is November 1st to December 1st. All of their claims, they have about 45 repair orders that they did this month. And I went ahead and color-coded the kind of outcome. Green means they got what they invoiced. Yellow is a negotiated partial, so some amount of what they invoiced, and then red is outright denial. So total billings for month of November, again, just adhesives, sealants, urethanes, foams, tubes and rattle cans, $11,601 inside the month of November. And I also pulled that up on their account, so this is their actual billings over the course of the month. The total collected was $6,882, and their acceptance rate, claim for claim, is just about 69%, just shy of 69%, and the percentage of money collected is 59%. Now, as you can see, this is primarily Erie and State Farm claims, a couple of Allstates, auto owners, good variety here. I've blurred out the claim numbers because that's personally identifying information. And you'll see most of these aren't negotiated. It's either pass or fail. Again, they have a pretty high success rate here, but that's only because they're billing for the commonly line item types of products, right? They're not going for paint material. But this is probably the most mild usage of the EagleMMS platform. And you're still talking about just a hair shy of $7,000. And this is, again, a heavy DRP. So if they're doing this month over month and they're averaging about 7 Gs a month, that's $84,000 a year if it's annualized. And I'm actually surprised to see the rate at which State Farm is paying this, because that's typically my most difficult carrier to deal with. So the laziest usage, right? The minority of products, no paint materials, no disposable body materials, just adhesive, sealants, urethanes, and foams. $7,000 in additional billings inside of 1 month. And actually, this estimator is one of the guys that piloted Eagle before it was adopted by the whole organization. So there's about 100 locations using this right now under this particular MSO. And you got to figure if they're doing $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 each, they're basically pulling in millions of dollars in additional revenue for the organization as a whole. And again, this is on a product that's $99 a month. So anyway, anytime I'm privileged to get information like this, I like to share it. This guy's just consistency, right? He bills the same way, small totals, non-included body materials, leaving with the vehicle, taxable goods, and has some success, some failure, some partial, and it still yields a tremendous amount of revenue for the business and then for the whole org. So yeah, that's it. I don't know how else to sell this program. This is my best pitch. It's $99 a month, no contracts. And until the end of the year, we're going to be waiving the onboarding fee using code SuperEagle. So if you're interested in signing up, just visit the site and give it a go. What's the worst that can happen? You can cancel anytime. Give it a go. So take care, folks. Happy holidays. Bye.